Hey guys, this is a quick video, so if it helps you out, please leave a like and a comment below to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing to the channel. So this method works on any version, yes, even the one you're thinking of, but I can name it directly here on YouTube, yeah, you know. So a few weeks ago I updated from the 2025 version to the 2026, and the speech to text feature isn't included by default. It has to be downloaded separately via Adobe Creative Cloud, that if you are using alternative versions you can't access it due to license restrictions. And after searching all over the internet, I found this installer. The link is in the pinned comment. The file comes as an ISO image. Just double click it so Windows mounts the file, and then run the autoplay. It's literally just like the standard Adobe installer, but specifically for the speech to text feature, so you don't need to go through Creative Cloud. This was the error I was getting, and since I'm Brazilian I installed both the English and Portuguese packages, and that's how I got it working.